I'm Charle Peck. I am a teacher by heart. I started off in elementary, and then I spent 18 years of my teaching career in high school. And I decided there was a big gap in mental health, so I learned a lot about what those gaps were. I became a therapist, and now I'm here to present to you with a therapist, a mental health lens, and a teacher lens. You're going to learn to turn student resistance into relationships, which is core. And that brings it right back to what you said. It's not a you versus me, this is a we thing. How do we do this together? And sometimes the kids, if they say, I don't know, they really don't know, and that's okay too. When they do that, you've built the relationship and you've met their need. When you meet their needs, you build relationship, period. And that word need is so essential because if we're asking for what we need, that is a huge life skill for kids. They need to feel safe and included with us. Because we may be that only person that doesn't have that extremely difficult expectation that they're just not going to meet. Because behavior is a symptom, it's not really the problem. I didn't have skills, but I developed them. And I built that rapport with them over time. And I didn't have classroom management issues for 10 years. And I can honestly say that because I had the skills. And that's what we're trying to do here, one session at a time.